Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be resetting the service lights on this 2016 Isuzu Grafter. Probably the same for the NKR. I'm not sure about the Mitsubishi Canters, but if you've got this style dashboard, you should be okay. You're looking for these two knobs down here. Got one on the left, one on the right. Now, with your ignition on and your engine off, if you go to the right hand knob, if you keep pressing that, you'll eventually come to engine oil and filter. Now I've just reset this so it says 12,427 miles, but you can actually twist this knob to the right and to the left. If you twist it to the right, it will bring up your other items. So you see transmission oil, fuel filter, which I've also changed. Now what you do is you hold the button in to reset this, and you see it will start flashing there. Once it starts flashing, release and press again. And it will reset to 24,000 miles. Now that's the same for all of the service items. So you will scroll left and go back to engine oil and filter. And I'll do that again. Hold in the button till it flashes. Release and hold again. And now it'll be reset. The mileage didn't go up because I've literally just done it. But that's how you do it, guys. Hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.